Hello Stampers, and thank you so much for joining me today for another Stampin' Sunday video. This is Laura Buechler of Inkyfingers Papercrafting, your independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in Nanaimo, BC. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a quick and fabulous card using the Ornate Thanks stamp set and the coordinating Ornate Layers dies. This card comes together super quickly and it looks awesome. I'm using the beautiful hand-penned designer series paper, which you can see on page 131 of your annual catalog. So the measurements of the card are a card base of 5.5 by 8.5 inches, a cardstock mat of 4 by 5 3/8 inches, and then 3 pieces of designer series paper. These are cut to 3 3/4 inches by 1 5/8 inches. You'll also need some extra pieces of white and colored cardstock for die cutting and stamping. I'm going to start by die cutting these 2 pieces with my Ornate Layers dies. When I'm using intricate dies like this, I like to use my Take Your Pick tool to clean out the little bits. And then the pokey tool end for any little bits left behind. Now I'm going to stamp on my white rectangle. I love how versatile this Ornate Thanks stamp set is. You can create any grateful sentiment you like by mixing and matching these stamps. I made myself a little sample sheet a while ago, but even this is only some of the huge list of combinations that you can create. Now I'm ready to assemble my card. What I like to do with this layout is put 2 different and colorful DSP strips at the sides and then one that's more of a pattern, more subtle in the middle. But of course, you could mix and match that however you like. You could even do 3 pieces of the same DSP. It's all up to you and what you think looks good. And there's my finished card. Remember that you'll get a chance to win this card when you share the video. Leave a comment below to let me know that you've shared, and maybe I'll be sending you this card in the mail. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. I really appreciate it, and I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Please drop me a comment below and let me know what you think. If there's something specific that you'd like to learn about, just ask. Remember that you can purchase all the products shown on my website, inkyfingers.ca, where you will also find more project tutorials, current promotional details and catalogs, and the sign up for my monthly email newsletter. I am not currently offering in-person classes, but you can visit my website to see all the different virtual events I am offering, including Creativity to Go, Mystery Stamping, and Bring Your Own Project. All of these classes are fun, social, creative, and welcoming. I hope to see you there soon. Find all of these details and so much more on my website. If you're watching this on YouTube, I invite you to join me on my Facebook page. Inkyfingers Papercrafting. There are fun, creative challenges and other opportunities to win cards from me every week. And if you do place an order, please use the current Hostess code, which you can find on my website, because everyone who uses that code will get a free gift from me. If you'd like to earn your own Hostess rewards, all you need to do is place an order of over $200 or contact me and we'll start planning your own online party. Drop me a line for more details. Have a great day, everyone, and happy stamping. Bye!